In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Meet background within 5 minutes. Whether you've got an important work meeting or you're catching up with friends, custom backgrounds can really spice up your video calls. Let's dive right into it. First things first, navigate to Google Meet by going to meet.google.com. Upon arriving, you'll see a few options right in front of you, but what we're interested in is starting a new meeting. So go ahead and click on the New Meeting button. This is your first step into personalizing your virtual meeting space, ensuring you're setting the stage before your attendees arrive. Now, after you've hit New Meeting, a menu drops down giving you a few options. You want to select Start an Instant Meeting. Clicking this essentially opens up your meeting room right away. It's almost like unlocking the door to your virtual office or hangout spot. Once you're in the meeting, you'll notice your own video feed along with various controls. But the magic happens when you click on the three dots located typically at the bottom right of your screen. This opens up additional settings and features that Google Meet offers. After clicking those three dots, look for the option labeled Apply Visual Effects. Clicking this takes you to a new realm of customization options, where you can choose different backgrounds, but we're here to set our own, so the journey continues. The final and most exciting part is adding your unique touch by selecting Add Your Own Personal Background. Here's where your creativity comes into play. Click on that option, browse through your computer, and select the background you want to use. It could be a serene beach, a bustling cityscape, or even a simple, professional-looking gradient. Once you've found the perfect image, open it, and voila, you've successfully customized your Google Meet background. A few additional tips to ensure the best results. Make sure the image you choose is high resolution to avoid any pixelation. Lighting in your room can also affect how your background looks, so experiment with different light settings to find what works best. And lastly, have fun experimenting with different backgrounds depending on your meeting's theme or your mood. That's all there is to it. You're now ready to stand out in your next Google Meet call with a background that not only looks great, but also adds a personalized touch to your virtual presence. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy guides like this one.